We turn our attention now to the story of how a woman's year of planning and courage finally gave her the strength to leave what she called a very toxic relationship. But as you'll hear in this report from Jamaica Maitland, she's now enduring a lot of trauma, pain, and a pile of medical fees for more than 12 years of domestic abuse.
I blame myself to rush into the relationship too fast. But I don't blame myself for all the abuse, because when a man like you and I get into him, not going to tell you that this is who I am. You would have to find out on your own.
And that she did. Natalie Williams is a victim of domestic violence. The single mother of two has been in a relationship for 13 years, 12 of which were abusive. It wasn't like that in the beginning, she explains, but soon, she says his jealous rage became another partner in their home.
Whenever I get an injury, I can't go to the doctor. Going to the doctor, the station is right in front of Stony Hill, so if I did that, police are going to get involved, and that's it for me and my kids, because I was afraid of him.
She has since left the toxic relationship, but says it took a year of planning, pretending, and power to leave. After one of the most brutal beatings and being held against her will for 24 hours, bloodied and disheveled, she made a run for it and reported it to the cops. The man was charged for kidnapping and sentenced to 6 months in prison.
It takes a lot of courage to go to that station, because it's 12 years I've been abused, never find the strength and the courage. The day I find it was the day I left with just one handbag, nothing, no clothes, no nothing.
The woman, who said she was initially healthy, now has several medical conditions, from being blind in the right eye to nerve pains in her mouth, blood clot in her lungs, among other medical complications. The pain has kept her out of a job and the ability to comfortably take care of her kids.
The injury caused a ball of swelling on the back of the eye, and it at the side. Him say him can't do nothing for the right one, but it's a possibility that the swelling can eventually go over to the left, damage the left.
And she fears she'll never see her children's faces again because of it. Her next appointment at the public hospital is set for September, but she feels she's running out of time.
It's been hard. Them hardly go to school, as you see they're here, because of my situation, but I wasn't like this before. The house is mine, so food for the poor, give me a paper story. I can't go there. I live there with like nothing.
In part 2, we speak with one of the agencies that assist women with domestic abuse and other gender-based violence. Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.